Alright, I'm here to talk about the NC Star laser sights. It actually is a green laser. It actually says it's meant for compact, but I think it's mainly for standard full size. When I got this pretty much for my Keltec PF9. Yeah, it's supposed to be a subcompact. There, as you can see, empty. So I got this for this, but as you can see, it fits on it, but it just comes off. So not good for a subcompact. So then I decided to go ahead and use it for my Glock 22. Just clear that out. As you can see, pretty clear. So I actually put this on it and it actually fits perfectly. There you go. With this, as you can see, this is the button to turn it on. There you go. See? Now this light can actually go for, basically up to like more than 100 feet, or should I say 100 yards rather. And to turn it off, just press the other side back in and there it is. Comes off. If you want to get it off, so easy. No need for any form of screwing or tightening or other instruments or tools. Just put it all together and you can take it off anytime you want. I like this laser, because compared to the red, the actual red sights, the green one goes for a farther distance and you can actually see it even during the daytime. So overall, the NC Star green laser sights is actually, a very good accessory. Help improve your shooting ability and be able to hit that target. Once you've actually zeroed it all in, it should be able to work just fine. Most of them already come pretty much zeroed in, but always good to test out the range and see whether it's actually working the way you want it, actually be able to hit on target every time. Well, that's my review on the NC Star green laser sight. Like I said, it works with your full size, generally your Glock and anything that has probably your reel, as you can see here. Or you can actually go ahead and get an adapter that will make it work. Either way, but it doesn't work with your subcompact. In this case, your Keltec PF9. So, yeah, that's my review on it. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later on yet another issue. Alright, bye.